Welcome. If you're always finding yourself missing important updates from your favorite Facebook group posts, you're not alone. Luckily, with the latest update to the Facebook app on your PC, you can now enable notifications for a specific group post, so you never miss out on the conversation you care about most. Let's walk through the steps together. First, open the Facebook app on your computer and log into your account if you haven't done so already. Once you're on your Facebook homepage, head over to the left-hand menu and select Groups. This will bring up a list of all the groups you're a member of. Find the group that contains the post you want to keep track of, then click to open it. Next, scroll through the group feed or use the search feature within the group to locate the exact post you want to follow. Maybe it's a poll, an announcement, or an ongoing discussion. Whatever it is, once you find it, here's what to do next. Look for the 3 dots icon in the top right corner of that specific post. Click on these 3 dots to reveal a drop-down menu. Among the available options, you'll see one that says, Turn on notifications for this post. Go ahead and select it. That's it. Now Facebook will send you a notification every time someone comments or interacts with that specific post. This simple feature lets you stay in the loop on the discussions that really matter to you, without being overwhelmed by alerts from every single post in the group. And if you ever decide you no longer want notifications for that post, you can repeat the same steps and instead choose Turn off notifications for this post. It's completely in your control. Try out this new notification feature today and make your Facebook experience much more tailored to your interests. Don't forget, the power to manage what you see and hear from Facebook groups is just a few clicks away. Thanks for tuning in.